Okie dokie, I've got another marbling fondant video. I have tried a few different techniques, marbling fondant, and this one is definitely the easiest and most reliable, I reckon. Basically, you have your main colour, and then you put a small amount of the colour that you want marbling through it, and you sort of poke it in little pieces, and then you twist and knead your fondant. The more you knead it, the more marbled it's going to be. My cake was 2 tiers, and I wanted the top tier to be a little bit less marbled than the bottom, so I only put 3 little blobs of black in, and didn't twist it and knead it too much. And then to apply it, I sprayed a little bit of water onto my ganache just to make it a little bit sticky. And you basically work your way down the cake, spreading out the fondant and pushing it down as you go. I used the offcuts of the first tier for the bottom tier because I wanted it to be a little bit more marbled. I also added some more black, and as you can see, I'm adding way more. I added about 10 to 12 blobs in. And then the same process, knead it, twist it, stretch it, barp it. And then you roll it out and you see the effect revealed. No two marbling is the same, which is something that I love as well. And the black and the white looks like smoke. I love it. Once again, spritzed my cake with a bit of water and then smoothed it out using some fondant smoothers. I used 2 fondant smoothers to get a sharper edge as well. Now, this step is optional. I used some Sweet Sticks Edible Art paint to highlight some of the marbling in my cake. Definitely not needed, but I just think it lifts the cake up to sort of a different level. Chucked in some supportive dowel. On goes the top tier, which I also added some painted marbling too. And then to top it off, I added some gold leaf following on those marbling lines. Oh, before I go, if you're wondering, I don't make my own fondant. I use a brand called Bakel's. It's amazing.